This ride includes cycling along the shoreline of the Parramatta River, a ferry ride, and cafes to enjoy food and drinks. From Rhodes, cross over the John Whitten Bridge. Go past Meadowbank Wharf and follow the signs through the suburbs of Melrose Park, Rydalmere, and past Western Sydney University to Parramatta Wharf. Then catch a ferry to Abbotsford. Travel through Quarantine Reserve and Henry Lawson Park. Follow the pathway next to Wimston Parade. Ride up Reginald Street to the Trovatina Cafe on Great Northern Road. Go back to the shoreline and ride to Bayview Park. Then through Cabarita, and finally onto Breakfast Point. Continue to Norman Street, Nullawarra and Hospital Roads. Past Concord Hospital to complete the ride, which is about 30 kilometres.